Hey everyone! Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and realizing that while you were sleeping, an AI was working for you, writing emails, designing content, automating tasks, even making money online. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, the truth is, that future is already here. And those who learn to master AI will have a massive advantage over everyone else. Most people waste hours every day doing things AI can do in seconds, writing reports, answering emails, researching, creating content. And yet they have no idea how much time they're losing. But here's the thing. AI is like any other skill. If you want to get good at it, you need time and practice. The good news? There are shortcuts, ways to learn AI faster and start using it right away, even if you're a total beginner. And in today's video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'll break down the exact AI tools you need step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI to save time, make money, and work smarter. Alright, let's start with the basics. If you're new to AI, there are 3 essential tools you should master first. These tools will handle writing, organization, and design, saving you hours every single day. First up, ChatGPT. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant available 24/7 that can answer any question, write anything, and even help you start an online business. For example, let's say you need to write an email, but you don't know what to say. Instead of wasting time, just ask ChatGPT, and in seconds, you'll have a professional email ready to go. But that's just the beginning. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube videos, blog posts, and social media content. Write high-quality scripts, essays, and even full books. Learn anything faster by asking AI to break down complex topics. Want to start freelancing? ChatGPT can write marketing copy, product descriptions, and even code, meaning you can start offering services online and make money. Next, let's talk about Notion AI. If you ever feel overwhelmed by to-do lists, notes, and projects, this tool is a game changer. Imagine this, you're researching for a project, but instead of reading through pages of notes, Notion AI summarizes everything into key takeaways. Need a to-do list? Just type your tasks, and Notion AI will organize them for you. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps your life in order. Now let's say you need graphics for a social media post, a business, or even a YouTube thumbnail. Normally you'd spend hours designing, but with Canva AI all you need to do is type a description, and AI creates a professional-looking design in seconds. For example, let's say you need a YouTube thumbnail. Just describe what you want, bold text, vibrant colors, eye-catching images, and Canva AI will generate it automatically. This means you can create high-quality content without needing any graphic design skills. AI isn't just about making things easier, it's about saving time so you can focus on what really matters. Let's say you're running an online business. Normally you'd have to manually update spreadsheets, send emails, and track sales, but with Zapier, AI automates everything. So when a customer makes a purchase, Zapier updates your records, sends an email, and even schedules a follow-up, all without you lifting a finger. If you hate taking notes, Otter AI is a lifesaver. It listens, transcribes, and even highlights the most important parts of meetings or lectures. Imagine sitting in a meeting and getting a perfect summary without ever needing to write anything down. Alright, now let's talk about something everyone wants to know, how to make money with AI. If you're a freelancer, AI can do most of the hard work for you. Need a blog post? ChatGPT can write it. Need an ad? Jasper AI generates high-converting marketing copy. This means you can take on more clients, complete work faster, and earn more money. Thinking of starting an online store? AI tools like Shopify Magic will write your product descriptions, while Ad Creative AI creates high-converting ads automatically. Want to create YouTube videos without showing your face? Pictory AI turns text into engaging videos automatically, meaning you can build an audience without ever recording yourself. Here's where it gets crazy. When you combine AI tools, you create an unstoppable workflow. ChatGPT plus Notion AI, brainstorm ideas and organize research automatically. Canva AI plus Ad Creative AI, create professional graphics and ads in seconds. Zapier plus Shopify AI, run a fully automated business. Now tell me, what's your favorite AI tool so far? Drop a comment, I'll be reading them. If you want to unlock your full potential with AI, subscribe now, because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching.